Hello and welcome to Money Time at Money9 English. I am Ajay and here is what made headlines this evening. First, it's history in the making for MRF. The tyre company's shares crossed 1 lakh rupee mark in futures trading. This means to buy one share of MRF, 1 lakh rupees will have to be spent. However, in the cash segment, MRF stock touched an all-time high of 99,933 rupees on Monday. Since then, profit booking became dominant. The stock has gained nearly 16% in a month. Despite of today's fall, the stock has registered a gain of 42% in the last 1 year. Up next, Paytm shares were in high demand on Monday after the fintech reported a four-fold contraction in its March quarter loss. Its shares rose 5% on Monday. Many brokerages have revised upwards target price on the stock. Citi has given a buy rating and increased the target price to 1,144 rupees. JP Morgan also maintained an overweight rating with a target of 950 rupees. Motilal Oswal also maintained a buy rating and gave a target price of 900 rupees on the stock. It is being perceived that as the company is growing, it has the advantage of economies of scale and that is improving the bottom line. On Monday, Paytm's stock closed at 723 rupees per share. And moving on now, Toyota Kirloskar Motor has increased the prices of its cars for the second time in the last 6 weeks. This time, Toyota had increased prices of models like Innova Krista, Urban Cruiser, Camry and Glanza. Toyota has jacked prices by up to 60,000 rupees. Tata Motors has also increased the prices of some variants of its entry-level cars like Tiago and Tigor. All variants of Tiago except the XTAO variants have seen an increase of 6,000 rupees. Tigor has also seen an increase of 6,000 rupees. Up next, the government may ban diesel-driven four-wheelers in all cities of the country with more than 1 million residents by 2027. The government may kickstart phasing out diesel-powered delivery vehicles as early as 2024 itself. The government may also change composition of LPG used in cooking cylinders. The government will blend LPG with gases that emit less carbon dioxide on burning. Authorities may set target of having 25% of families in India cooking on electricity rather than on fuel. Now there are concerns of up to a 10% increase in premiums of insurance policies. Premiums of health, motor, property and other types of insurance policies can rise. In the coming times, the burden of inflation on the common man can further increase. Insurance premiums of such policies are expected to increase by up to 10%. Global reinsurance companies have suffered significant losses due to the ongoing war in Ukraine. As a result, these companies have increased their rates by 40 to 60%. Due to the increase in reinsurance rates, there are concerns of up to a 10% increase in premiums of health, auto and property insurance policies in India. This directly means that if you pay a premium of 10,000 rupees earlier, then you will have to pay 11,000 rupees ahead. Insurance companies cover their risk by buying insurance with reinsurance companies. With reinsurance companies hiking premiums, general insurance companies can in turn hike premiums of policies given to the general public. And trouble mounts for people who had booked tickets with Go First. Flyers have not yet got refund of airfares. According to media reports, many people who had booked tickets of the airline have received a credit note of the refund amount, but the money has not reached their account yet. Many people approached the travel portal's helpline number on which they had booked tickets and the flight got cancelled. Even travel porters' customer care department are not able to provide any concrete information as to when they will actually get the credit of the refund. Go First Airlines stand cancelled from May 3 to May 12 as of now. Moving on to bourses, FPIs are so bullish on India's growth story that in the first 5 days of May 2023, they have already invested more than what they had invested in March 2023. They have been net buyers of domestic equities for the last 2 months straight. And now even in May, they have infused a little more than 10,000 crore rupees. Although, if you look at FII inflow for the current calendar year, then FII's inflow has been negative. According to stock market analysts, FIIs mostly picked up stake in financials and capital goods stocks. capital goods sector has been FII's favorite for most part of the current calendar year. And now railways decide to cover baby birth. After getting feedback on trial use of baby birth in trains, Railways has decided to cover such births with cartoon printed covers. This will protect the baby from getting hurt from any falling object from the upper berth. So far, Railways have not been providing baby berths in trains, but very soon berths will come tied with baby berths. Parents will have to pay a certain fees if they want to use it. Baby berths will be made available in almost all the trains all over the country. Well, not only gold, even silver is shining brightly these days. Investors are making huge money investing in silver and related instruments. Among these instruments, silver ETFs have been recently hogging retail investors' limelight. Silver ETF's AUM has grown to over 1,800 crore rupees within just 1.5 years of launch. SEBI had given AMCs the permission to launch silver ETFs back in November 2021. Currently, there are 8 silver ETFs in India. Nippon India and ICICI Prudential silver ETFs comprise 80% of the overall AUM of the industry. Investing here gets assurance of metal purity. Adding to that, they get rid of storage hassles of the physical metal. On Monday, silver prices jumped 160 rupees at 77,250 rupees a kg. Next news is for those who are looking to invest in cable stocks. Wires and cables manufacturer RR Cable Limited has filed preliminary papers with SEBI to raise funds through IPO. The initial share sale process comprises a fresh issue of equity shares of up to 225 crore rupees and the rest being OFS. US-based private equity firm TPG Capital holds 21% stake in RR Cable. The private equity firm will partly sell its stake in the company via the OFS. RR Cable manufactures FMEGs apart from cables and wires. The firm had grown at a CAGR of 33% between FY20 and FY22. As per the latest results, the firm had made net profit of 125 crore rupees as of December 2022. And with that, it's time to call it a day here on Money Time at Money9 English. This is me, Ajay, signing off. Take care and good night.